you also been in an experience where everything is so energized, you feel so energized, you're making progress with your works, and everything is just flowing? It's all about the energy. It's all about you surrounding yourself with people who always say positive things to push you. I want you to ask yourself, who am I? This personal question is deep, and every single person needs to ask themselves this question. Like, ask yourself, who am I? After asking myself this question and digging deeper, I've learned a lot about myself, which I'm leveraging in my business, and I'm still learning. Once you're able to boldly and happily answer this question, you'll be setting yourself on the path for long-lasting success and fulfillment in your business. The question of who am I will lead you to find your purpose, which will help you to identify your passion. Your passion isn't something magical you find about all of a sudden. You need to interact with the environment and the people around you for some time. And through this process, you will learn a lot of things about yourself, which you leverage in your business. Your passion is that thing which you find very easy doing and also very happy when you're doing it, that some people might find difficult doing, but you find it very easy. Like we always say, your passion isn't something magical you find about all of a sudden. You will need to interact with the environment and the people around you for some time, and through this process, you will learn a lot about yourself, which you can leverage in your business. Your passion is that thing which you find very easy and happy doing, which other people might find difficult doing. Like we always say, there are no two persons that are the same. So some people can find their passion very early on in their lives, and some others might find theirs later on in their lives, and there's nothing wrong with that at all. Again, there's no one formula to being successful or being fulfilled in business. In life, it's a journey, and on this journey, there's a lot to learn and unlearn as we go on. I can't imagine anyone who wouldn't want to do what they are most passionate about as a profession and eventually turn it into a successful career. And so in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can turn your passion into a successful business. The first thing you need to do is to gather all the information you need as much as possible. You need to gather information about the passion which you want to turn into a business, because this is very vital. Do you know enough about your passion? If no, you need to start asking. You need to start asking people. You need to start asking the internet. Right now, the internet is so popular. Everything you need to know is on the internet. So you can just go on the internet, on blogs. You can also visit the University of YouTube, which has content on almost every single thing. So just go there, search for whatever you are looking for, which is specific to your passion, and start learning. There's another thing you can do, which is to reach out to people who are already doing what you plan on doing. This is called networking. You can reach out to people on either Instagram, maybe in person through a recommendation. Just reach out to people. Just once you found out the passion which you want to turn into a business, there are so many people out there who are already doing what you are doing, who are already doing what you plan on doing. So just reach out to them and network with them. When you network with such people, what you stand to benefit is that they get to share their experiences throughout their journey in the business with you. And what this means is that you're not going to be making the mistakes that these same people made throughout their career. So for me, it was one time when a friend of mine was having his birthday party, and we were invited to come for the birthday party. And he invited his photographer. So during the event, the photographer was taking pictures and then was doing all of his stuff. And I was really intrigued by what the photographer was doing. And I just thought of like, I think I'll be interested in this thing. So after the event, I just networked with him, we shared our contact, and the next day we got in touch. So I just spoke to him and told him that I might be interested. At that point, I was interacting with my environment. Remember I said this earlier on, in order for you to find your passion, you'd have to interact with the environment and the people around you for some time. So that's where I took off. I just networked with him, took a shoot. The first day, the second day, I realized I liked it, and that was it. You're not going to believe this, but the next thing you need to do is to just dive right in. Like, there are going to be so many excuses for you not to turn your passion into a business. But trust me, there's nothing like failure in business. Any mistake you're going to make is actually a lesson and an experience you are going to use in the next chapter of your business and your life. After all, this is something you love doing, and this is something you alone know why you are doing this. So just start. Just take that leap of faith and everything will fall in place. And finally, you need to surround yourself with people who share the same vision with you as well. Have you ever experienced being in a setting where you feel so unenergized to do anything and everything is so dull and they are not making progress in anything? And have you also been in an experience where everything is so energized, you feel so energized, you're making progress with your works and everything is just flowing? It's all about the energy. It's all about you surrounding yourself with people who always say positive things to push you. There are instances where you could be alone working and then you're just delaying. You're not making any progress. I recommend for you to surround yourself with people who will push you, people who just get yourself around the right people. Get yourself around a team who will push you to do things you've always wanted to do. I'm sure you've learned a lot from this video and you're going to apply everything and also turn that passion you've always had into a successful business. Make sure you kindly subscribe to this channel, give us a like and share this video to your friends and family as well. And I promise you more and more content on this channel. See you next time.